Have you ever noticed something strange? Sometimes there are people in your life who genuinely love you. Your life is actually getting better. You even have some of the things you once prayed for, but still you feel nothing. You feel empty. You don't feel connected to your life. You don't feel happy. You don't know how to romanticize your life anymore. So, why does that happen? I think the reason is very simple.
समटाइम ना हम खुद से इतना दूर चले जाते हैं कि फिर हमें एहसास नहीं रहता कि क्या हमारे पास है और कौन हमारे पास है. एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली ट्रू बिकॉज इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ right now I have so many things in my life that I once prayed for. It's not everything, maybe it's just the 20% of my dream life. The other 80% is still pending, but that 20% I'm living it right now. If I look back 3-4 years, the thing I have right now, I prayed for those things. Now I'm living those moments, and sometimes I don't feel it. Like, I know it logically. I write down in my journal every single day that I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that, but I don't feel it actually. Like, you can write about the things that you are grateful for, but I want to feel it, but the feeling of gratitude is not there. See, wanting more is not a bad thing, but not acknowledging what you already have is where the problem begins. So the reason why you don't feel happy in your own life, or the reason why you can't romanticize is your own life, maybe you have to switch your mind from comparison mode to reflection mode. Or maybe you have gone so far away from yourself, you have to come back to yourself. So, if you really want to be happy in your life, if you really want to feel the love that is actually present in your life, if you really want to feel the blessings that are present in your life, you have to get back to yourself. You have to get back to your home. See, कोई ना आपके लिए पूरी प्लेट में प्यार भर के लाया है because they think you are worthy enough. But if you don't look at yourself through their eyes, or you don't feel worthy enough to have all that love, आप उसे कभी भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे. So this is the reason why it is so important to love yourself before loving anyone. And there is this one big thing that I have realized. Sometimes when your brain stays in survival mode for so long, it's not behaving in a certain way. Your brain will automatically look for danger even when there is no danger. So even when life is peaceful, when things going smoothly, your mind will find something to worry about it. Not because your mind wants to do that, but because it is familiar. You can't stay in peace, you can't stay in that stillness. Your mind needs something to think about it, to worry about it. So sometimes if you really want to be happy or grow in your life, you don't need to learn something new, but you have to unlearn what you already know. You have to reprogram your mind. Sometimes you have to create that safe space for yourself. You have to teach your mind that it is okay to be relaxed. It is okay to be at peace with yourself. You don't have to worry about all the time. You don't have to find danger all the time. This video is a sign for you to chase yourself before chasing the things. Because once you are at peace with yourself, the things will come to you so easily. If you really want to feel that joy, if you really want to be happy, you really want to enjoy or romanticize your own life, you have to come back to yourself, because that's the only way.